The overall number of COVID cases has now surged past 501 million amid a rise in new infections in parts of the world. According to Johns Hopkins University, JHU, the total case count mounted to 501,512,915 while the death toll from the virus reached 6,188,577 Thursday morning. The US has recorded 80,518,050 cases so far and 987,331 people have died from the virus in the country, the university data shows. There has been a slight increase in cases in recent weeks in US, with daily confirmed cases nationwide rising from about 25,000 per day to more than 30,000, reports AP. More than 85% of those cases are the highly contagious BA.2 strain. Those figures could be an undercount since many people now test positive on at-home tests that are not reported to public health agencies. India's COVID-19 tally rose to 43,038,016 on Wednesday, with 1088 new cases registered in 24 hours across the South Asian country, showed the Federal Health Ministry's data. Besides, 26 deaths due to the pandemic since Tuesday morning took the total death toll to 521,736. COVID situation in Bangladesh. Bangladesh logged 31 fresh COVID cases in 24 hours till Wednesday morning, taking the total caseload to 1,952,162. As per the latest government data, the country's total fatalities remained unchanged at 29,124 as no deaths were reported during the period. The daily positivity rate increased to 0.58%, the lowest since the pandemic broke out in Bangladesh in March 2020, after 5,387 samples were tested during the period, according to the Directorate General of Health Services, DGHS. Besides, the mortality rate remained unchanged at 1.49%. The recovery rate rose to 96.81% with the recovery of 274 more patients during the 24-hour period. Earlier on 5th April, Bangladesh logged its lowest daily positivity rate at 0.52%, reporting 35 cases with 0 deaths. In March, the country reported 85 COVID-linked deaths and 8,000 new cases while 66,639 patients recovered from the disease, according to DGHS. Among the 85 deaths during the period, 44 were unvaccinated patients, 11 were vaccinated with the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine, 28 with the second dose and 2 with the third dose. The country reported its first zero COVID-related death in a single day on 20th November last year, along with 178 infections since the pandemic broke out in Bangladesh in March 2020. On 28 January, Bangladesh logged its previous highest daily positivity rate at 33.37%, reporting 15,440 cases and 20 deaths. Besides, the country registered the highest daily caseload of 16,230 on 28 July last year, while the highest number of daily fatalities was 264 on 10 August last year.